Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Financial Hub, another day behind the office, behind the scenes, day in the life.
All my life, I've been grinding all my life, look, all my life, been grinding all my life.
What we're doing here, how we run the day-to-day operations at the office, the school, the trading, the podcasting, the meetings, and everything that we do here in the office. And we want to showcase that to you so that you can understand a bit about how we go through things here in the office. We're just young men trying to run a company, trying to trade professionally. There's a lot of things that go on online that we do not really approve of. And we're here to start showcasing the right way of trading, the right approach, the professional approach that you need to consider yourself while trading. So I'll be showing you guys a lot about what we do behind the scenes right now. If you saw earlier in the video, it came to the office. I was here by 6:30. It's now 7:15. I'm making some tea. It's quite a cold morning today. The reason I'm here early is because I have a lot of work that I need to get done by 9. I need to shoot a weekly analysis video. I need to write some articles. I need to plan my meetings as head of different departments here in the company this week. So there's a lot going on, and I'd really like you guys to come with us, take a look at what we do, and hopefully we can do this more often than not, so that you can see what goes on here behind the office.
Money, loyalty, and love in the dream we trust. You'll be switching up the players on your team too much. Tiny copy, that's my low, young supreme, what's up? And we travel around the world getting cream or what? Ain't you get off on whoever hustles seem to rush? Las Vegas strip club, yeah, you cream.
So hi guys, hope you're doing well. New York has just opened, 26 minutes in. Currently in a short USD card trade. Was working to my favor, had some pullback, waiting to see if we'll get a continuation to the downside.
I've been grinding all my life, look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle, pay the price.
Some probable 2% return on this one. Let's see if it works out.
And
Only trade I'm watching currently, no other trades. Although I have some directional moves, but no other setup, no other clean setup. Being mindful of following the plan. That's what you should do.
Know that Westside RSCs is us. LAPD on my dick, I'ma squeeze and bust. If a rap nigga did switch cheese and bust.
The P level went to R1, came to S1, went to, tried to come to R3, but towards the end of the week ended before going to R3. So there was no business for me.
That's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life, look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle, pay the price.
again, what do you think about the inflation?
I've not actually checked where the numbers have been released by the...
So the news acted as a catalyst to your
just
trade?
acted as a catalyst to my technicals. So I've not even checked where the news was released. I was out of the office, just walked into the office. It's around 4:55, 30 minutes into London open. Inflation is coming out at around 4:30. So that's what happened. Let me check where inflation is, update my views on markets. But at least I can see the dollar is coming down. So let's see if it will come down significantly, but it's just a minor pullback before we continue moving higher. That's all. Markets are moving.
So guys, we just came back to the office. Kenny surprised to see what's happening on the dollar.
I think the dollar is significantly lower. We just got inflation data releases. I had one trade on the pound here. Very beautiful trade. Made some big money on this one. So $5,290. Just go to this level. So trading this 200k account, it's a proper account, 205, 5,290. Not a bad week.
What trade was that?
GBP USD longs. So you can see my entry. You can see I never even had the patience to hit the target. The money was too much, man. It was a risk reward of 1:3, so I expected about $6,000. 5,200 is enough. Good trade.
Yeah. Ran on my money. I came in the game, did my thing, get jumped. I'm the same young nigga that came from nothing. Yeah. Bitch, I came from nothing. I'm straight off the block, I won't change for nothing. I made it out the hood, but I still be thug. I made it out the hood, but I still be drug. Hood rich nigga hands still get dirty. Only 24 when I keep me a 30. Shit'll get ugly, I got it in plug. I made it out the hood, but I still be drug. Hood rich nigga hands still get dirty. Only 24 when I keep me a 30. Shit'll get ugly, I got it in plug. It's not a secret, I got it on me. Fucked around, spent like 3 million in bling. Yeah, I know I'm humble, it's not what it seems. Yeah, fuck everybody, I'm all by my cream. Cartier shades, yeah, I bought like Kareem. Yeah, I leave a mark when I leave the scene. I'm nothing like y'all, these niggas be green. From the same city that killed Martin Luther King. Young niggas ain't really having no dream. Young niggas trying to get them some money. Young nigga came a long way.
Hey, what's up guys? So I just finished my session with Irene. Today is Thursday. What time is it? It's 1 p.m. I started my session, my therapy session with Irene at 11. So we take about 2 hours. We talk a lot about trading psychology, things that are affecting me in the markets, and also just life and all those things. I have a class in the next 1 hour. So things are normally back to back. I have a class, then I have another class in the evening. Now I have a short meeting with Taras. It's also lunchtime. So you need to know how to manage your time and do it well and effectively. So that's important, and that's what I have for today. And yeah, maybe I'll catch you later. Let me go have a meeting with Taras and enjoy my lunch. Haven't had any trade. Ken is one who had a good trade running, made $5,000. Still patient for my trade setups to come, nothing much, and I'll continue waiting. Looking here, what am I doing? Now I'm about to eat some fruits. And this is the greatest hack. And this camera isn't showing my fruits really nicely, but anyway, this is the greatest hack you'll ever do. Taking some fusion, okay, real fruit. I like this type, this wild berry. Mix it with fruits. Now, my friends, this thing kaputs. It slaps for days. Just finished a 3-hour meeting with our consultant. Whitney, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Whitney and I'm a marketing consultant.
Yeah, so just finished a meeting on marketing.
A good one.
I done it, yeah. Ran on my money. I came in the game, did my thing, get jumped. I'm the same young nigga that came from nothing. Yeah. Bitch, I came from nothing. I'm straight off the block, I won't change for nothing. I made it out the hood, but I still be thug. I made it out the hood, but I still be drug. Hood rich nigga hands still get dirty. Only 24 when I keep me a 30.
I had one loss today morning at 7 a.m. I woke up to a loss, but I have another trade going on. Let's hope it works out well. Or also it can become another loss.
What's up guys? So that's Taras. This is the trading floor, this is the trading office. Ken is not in today. I think he's doing some errands. He's going to come in later on in the week, but I'm here with Taras. We're looking a bit at the charts. This is Aussie dollar. I'm personally still dollar longs, looking for dollar to continue moving long term to the upside. I see quite a rejection somewhere here. So this is just something I'm looking at. Now I don't trade the dollar index, but I do trade the other dollars. I use the dollar because I'm net dollar trader. All my pairs are connected to the dollar. So I use the dollar index to look at the relative strength of the dollar, and then I go into the other pairs that I trade. Now I only trade 3 pairs personally. I trade USD card, Aussie dollar, and gold. You can see I have them here. These are my trading pairs: USD card, Aussie dollar, gold. These others are just for back testing, and the dollar index is to look at the dollar strength. Okay, so when I go to the dollar index, what I'm basically looking, since I'm dollar long and I'm looking for dollar to continue moving to the upside, looking at the dollar index, it's not really, looking at the USD card, it's not really been getting momentum to the downside, and I expect markets to hold around this level, especially around this trend line. That's what I'm looking for. If I zoom it out a bit, you can see there's quite a trend line forming at this level, which can act as a support for markets to hold and in order for it to move up. Now, don't get me wrong, when I'm talking about a trend line, a key level holding market, it doesn't mean that the trend line is what actually held the market and pushed it higher. It's all about supply and demand. It's just that we're using these confluences, what we call technical analysis. Whatever pattern you draw, it's not that pattern that holds the market, it's the market creating a certain pattern, and then we use it to get an idea of where we should buy and where we should sell. But that's not the primary focus of why market moves up or down. But generally, that's what I'm looking at. There's a support level here that market has been unable to break. That's what I'm looking at. When it comes to Aussie dollar, I'm anticipating a short trade. This is quite a long-term trade around this key level.
There's a certain pattern that I trade, more of the flag pattern. I'm looking for a key level being respected around here, waiting for New York. New York is a very good time to get trades, especially with the dollar pairs. Like I said, I'm not dollar trader, so I'm looking for a short around this level. You can see some activity coming in here, market rejecting that higher level. I'm just waiting for market to hit the 0.660 level before we short further down. And last but not least, there was a good trade on gold yesterday. I missed out on it during New York session. You can see this was a very good flag pattern. It was an impulse correction impulse. You can see this was a good support level, good rejection of this level. That was a straight target. Straight trade straight to TP, hit TP around the 1992 level, and you can see market has been getting correction ever since. So that's basically what I'm watching, anticipating my Aussie dollar trade. If I show you my back end of my forex fund account, which I'm yet to do a video, and I'll do a video soon of how I passed certain challenges. This was my first, this was a 100K account. I was able to pass the first challenge where when I started this account, you can see the first trade I took was in September. I lost one trade. You can see I took one trade here, lost about $1,000. And then moving forward, I got about 3 trades. This trade got to break even. I had 2 trades on this day. Then I had one trade here, made about $5,400, and another trade here, $3,800. I combined about $9,000+ on that trade, which helped me pass my first one of my forex fund challenge. My funded FX challenge. So that's what happened, and now I'm in my second account, which if I show you, I'm down about 3%. Okay, so that's a different account. It's good to show your wins and your losses. So you can see I've only taken 3 trades so far. My first trade that I took, I lost about $2,000. I had slippage on that trade. I've talked about it with my community, with my students. I've shared an article on that. I lost 2%. I risked one, but I lost 2% because of slippage. Market didn't take me out at the necessary level. And then these other 2 trades, I lost about 0.5%, 0.5%. This is about 0.42% there. And those are the only trades I've had this month. So if I got my gold trade yesterday, markets will have really pushed me back up, at least back to break even, but I didn't get it. I'm waiting to see if I can get the Aussie dollar and see how that trade, the performance, the outcome is going to be. So that's basically it. Like we say here at Financial Hub, we show the wins, the losses, all of it. This is the trading flow. Taras has just shared with you that he had one trade. Which pair was that?
Euro USD. You can come look at it.
So yeah, that was Taras's trade.
So hi guys. So this week on Monday, I got a trade on Euro USD. I trade differently from Caleb, so I trade a setup called a magnet trade. So I had this short trade here. Spiked me out just right at my stop loss. Markets are starting to come back, but that's the loss booked, so I'm not focused there. I'm currently on dollar yen long trades again. So I'm coming in again as a dollar long for now, anticipating markets to pump from this S3 level back to the S1. These are pivot points, so if you want to learn how to use pivot points, check us out and you can visit us at our office, so then we'll show you how these things work out. Thank you.
Yeah guys, so that's how Taras approaches his trades. I approach mine quite differently, and also Ken approaches it differently. We tell people here at Financial Lab, our students, everyone needs to look for their own personal way of approaching the markets. We are not trying to become duplicates of Taras, duplicates of Caleb. It's you individually. How is your personality? How is your mindset? And how do you approach markets on a personal level? Then we curate a strategy that suits you well. So that's basically it. I think that's it for today's video. I just wanted to show you what I'm looking at on the charts, the trades that I have, the winners and the losses, and then from there we'll catch you on the next video. And yeah. So today is Wednesday. We don't have much classes today. So Taras, Ken and I are going for lunch outside the office just to relax, do a few things. Don't mind my mask still. I have a cold, but yeah. So Ken is ahead of us. I think he's sorting the car. I want to go for lunch. We've left the other guys in charge of the office, which is a good thing. Also let other people run things in the office. It's not always us. We give part of our culture is to give people power, authority, and let them do their thing. So
Straight up out the trenches, my diamonds came from the Jewish. And I can't trust these bitches be having kudos. They say money don't grow on trees, I got it, then I grew it. I'm cut though for real, baby girl, it's not a movement. Yeah, it's a lifestyle. I'm strapped right now, choppers on me right now. Little nigga pipe down, I shine like a lighthouse. Yeah, bitch, I'm iced out. I shine like a lighthouse. Yeah, bitch, I'm iced out. I'm rich, but I'm still a hood nigga. And I still be in the trenches, pouring syrup with the real ones. I'm a living legend.
So guys, it's lunchtime, we're about to eat. Before we indulge in a very good meeting, I have this big bag here, the dribbling taikula. I don't know how it's going to enter my mouth. I'm not a fan of avocado. Kenda amenikumbusha that I don't eat. And it's a big one. It's nika half of the bag. But anyway, it is what it is. Taras pale.
Thanks to German every time. Blessed. I'm having Swahili coconut fish and fries with kachumbari.
This is some vegetable rice served with some mutton and some kachumbari. About to overindulge. I'm not fasting, I was joking.
Choppers on me right now. Little nigga pipe down. I shine like a lighthouse. Yeah, bitch, I'm iced out. I shine like a lighthouse. Yeah, bitch, I'm iced out.
When they caught you in your man's down bad, why you ain't blow? I drove sauce up in my max and a whole 100 before I go. My heart really ain't no shit, I done did like you.
Love nature so much. I love nature. Aside from trading, most times you just have to find some place of peace. You can hear the river flowing.
Six up in the cup, I might not finish before I go. Research for president, still like the lake going forward. I know social media, AUG go everywhere that I go. Cold hearted.
So guys, sometimes having a good mindset, serene place, think quiet, enjoy the place, and then talk about different stuff. Talk about visions, talk about where you want the company to go, talk about where you want your own personal life to grow, to gravitate towards. It's all about growth at the end of the day. So right now we're just from eating. I'm sure you've seen that in the videos. We're going to a corner here where we like spending some time and thinking as a group and brainstorming, you know. Being one with nature gives you those new ideas to propel you to the next place. And then sometimes just being in the office all the time gets quite tiresome. Your thought process is also limited. You're sort of thinking like in a box instead of being able to think outside the box. So that's what we've come here to do. We had good food. You can see that's where we were. That's where the restaurant is. There was something they were trying to make here. There's a gazebo that was supposed to be here. Here they were trying to make golf. You know those small golf places? They were trying to make one here. As you can see, there's a hole there. That's what the hole was meant to be. Another one here. I don't know what happened to that plan. It will have been a nice one. Here the guys. You can see how you can chill there with the team, brainstorm, have a one-on-one talks, look at the markets, and you know what? Enjoy life.
Yeah, made it out the trenches. This type of life I can't get used to. Number one on YouTube. Private dinner in Malibu. Show you how to work your stick. Ain't nobody gonna handle you.
So it's been a very busy day today. I had a class in the morning, had an interview with one of our students. Within the day, came out for lunch with my colleagues, Ken and Caleb, and we're about to finish up the day today. Cheers guys, welcome to FAB. We also have an ongoing course going, an intake ongoing. We have an intake ongoing for December and January, so you can enroll for that and be sure to transform your trading.
So yeah guys, as Caleb and Lavi have informed you, it has been quite an interesting week. Trading wise, I'm just here watching markets. I was watching out for USD card potential short, which I can actually show you. You guys can check it out. So I was looking for a short around this level. Looks like it will come along. However, the week is almost coming to an end because it's on Wednesday. I normally don't like executing positions on Thursday or Friday. That's not specifically my style, so my positions are executed early in the week, Tuesday, Wednesday. So let me see today's close, let me see where markets close. It's just the beginning of New Year. Let's see if we'll make some money or lose some money. Well, it goes both ways.
So yeah guys, that's basically it. I think it's time to bring this video, this week in the life, day in the life, to an end. You've seen behind the office what we do in the office. We've shown a couple of things we do, the students we have, the seminars that we bring every week in our offices at Financial Hub, where we talk about different stuff. We bring people from different places, we bring guests. You've seen some places that we do our podcast. There's a lot of things that we do behind the scenes that get us to where we want to go, where we want to be, and what just basically motivates us and keeps us going. But that's basically it. We'll do another video later on. This is the first of many, and I hope you've enjoyed that one. I'm here with my boys, so now we want to stay here a bit, talk about the markets, talk about business and everything as a whole. And that's basically it. And I also enjoy the scenery. You can see we have a very good scenery. The sun is about to set, the ducks are swimming, and it is what it is. Tunajienjoy, tunajibamba, and yeah. So I'll see you guys soon.
But I'm still
Have a good
silent.
one.
No. I'm supposed to be gone, but she where I'm gonna go.